to be stuffed, full of waffly goodness. Introducing the Waff Pro 2001.
That monstrosity makes waffles?
It also dispenses fortunes. You will eat woggles. I wonder what that means.
I think it's trying to say waffles.
Really? Woo! See? It's the world's most advanced waffle bar in the world. Here, try them.
It is a very tasty waffle.
Yeah, sure, that's great. But has anyone noticed this? Why am I dizzy?
Huh. Is that going to be a problem?
Attention! Pollution Patrol coming through. Clear the way. I'd know that enticing aroma anywhere.
Cheersies.
Everybody freeze! This is a waffle raid.
Welcome to the Banana Cabana. Allow me to read your fortune. Enjoy wazzles? I don't get this thing.
We're the Pollution Patrol, and you make me sick!
Wow, already? And I haven't even done this yet.
All Waff Pro 2001s are being decommissioned for crimes against the environment. The Waff Pros are the worst polluters in the entire waffle industry.
Even worse than the waffle widget 1980?
Here, have a waffle.
Even worse. Let's unplug this monstrosity.
Wait, you can't shut it down. It's my best friend. Ooh, another fortune. Take a whizzle?
Oh!
Sorry about your waffle bar, Howie. It was good at making waffles, not so great at spelling.
It really was, wasn't it?
Ew! You know, Howie, I was thinking this is a perfect time to make some changes around here.
You're firing me? Please, Otto, no! I promise to work harder. I know I goof off sometimes, but It was Bunny.
I can't fire you. You're the boss, remember?
Oh, in that case, I was just kidding about that working harder stuff.
Here, take a look at this ad I saw today.
Wait, you recorded an ad?
Just watch.
Oh, hello there. I'm Tree Frog, Eco Warrior, and Table Tennis Champ. Is your hotel a putrid polluter?
Yes,
An environmental disaster?
most likely.
Well, then it's time to make a change. Answer my contest, and you could earn the coveted title of World's Greenest Hotel. So, help make the world greener, and you could win a fabulous prize!
So, you know, I was thinking, the Banana Cabana should go green.
Way ahead of you, buddy. Oh!
Howie, the contest is about the environment, not green paint.
The environment, huh?
I prefer me and Periwinkle.
You entered this dump in a going green contest?
I know our hotel needs a few eco upgrades, so I started researching, and did you know that every 5 minutes, baby seals cut down 20 acres of rainforest?
Everybody knows that. Wait, what?
So, I converted the pool into a giant compost heap.
Cheersies?
Then, to help the environment, I swapped Bunny's jet boat with a turtle.
Hang on for the ride of your life.
And lastly, I turned our banana into a windmill. And a helicopter. Now, I also heard something about a pesky hole in the P-zone laser.
I think you mean the ozone layer.
That too. Duck, can you help with that?
I will find my patch kit.
Great!
Do you think you might be going just a bit overboard?
Overboard? Overboard? This hotel is just one big not green monster! That's it! I now know what I must do.
Should we call an ambulance?
I have them on speed dial.
Welcome to the Green Banana.
You built a new hotel?
I figured why fix the cabana when I could just build a brand new, completely green one.
Howie, why are you wearing a loincloth?
Oh, this natural ventilation. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It's windy up here. All right, time for a tour. First up, our solar-powered tree amphiline.
Solar powered? But trampolines don't need power.
You were saying? And next up, our tree-hugging platform. Hey, this platform is for tree hugging. Hugging. And since cows toot out a ton of gas every day, which is highly flammable, I figured Piggy could use it for cooking in his kitchen hut.
What?
Pardon me.
As you can see, it's 100% natural. We're still getting some of the bugs worked out. Duck, we've got a bit of a problem in the kitchen hut. Duck, where is he anyway?
Ozone 1 cleared for launch. Thank you. You are welcome.
Anyone else feel that?
Yes, Bunny. It's called the power of positive thinking. And that's the winds of change!
Better than the winds of cows.
And this is my favorite part of the whole place, the Vine Highway.
Whoa. Hey, this isn't as hard as it looks.
You might want to slow down, buddy.
Viner's license in vegetation, please.
And now I will save the environment. Luckily, they had your size. That is weird.
Guys, I think going green was the best decision we ever made.
We're gonna win Tree Frogs contest for sure.
And we're saving the planet.
And not a single thing has gone wrong. Night!
Lights!
Good morning, Piggy. Where are you off to?
Piggy have to find berries for breakfast. Since nothing destroy kitchen.
Now you're thinking green.
Howie, the guests are complaining that the poison ivy lawn chairs are giving them rashes.
I was sitting on one all morning and I feel fine. Excuse me for a moment.
And Howie, baby, my mic's still off. Not sure why. Oh, wait. Maybe it's because it's a stick.
Okay, it's a brand new hotel. There's bound to be a few kinks.
Howie, we have termites.
Great, new guests.
Howie, termites eat trees.
We have tons of trees. They'll probably really like the place. Everything's gonna be just fine.
Thanks for the hospitality, Howie. I won't have to eat for a week.
But hotel, tree frog, contest, winds of change, fabulous prizes.
Howie! I'm Tree Frog, Eco Warrior, and table tennis champ. Now, where's this green banana I've heard so much about?
I'm afraid I've got some bad news.
Bad news?
It's like they always say. Just when you're about to save the world, somebody goes and eats your hotel.
Well, without actually being able to see the work you did, I can't really judge the
Hi. The ozone layer is fixed. Time for my coffee break.
Wait, did I hear that correctly? You fixed the hole in the ozone layer?
I guess so. Yes.
I can't believe it! This is stupendous!
Really? Did we win? Did we win?
Howie, you run the greenest hotel I have never seen. Congratulations.
What do I get? I mean, we get. You're the proud owners of the brand new WAF Pro 2002.
I thought those things were huge polluters.
Not anymore. Our eco-waffle experts made some little changes. Now all the smoke and sludge is completely recycled.
Delicious, but does it still give fortunes? Yay! Look out. What kind of fortune is that?
Is that a...
And we got our banana back.
Yay! Today just keeps getting better and better.
It sure does.